going to do a little test. I'm going to try this rifle 3 shots with the suppressor. Should be dead on because I just sighted it in. And then I'm going to take the suppressor off and see where it hits. So, first 3 shots suppressed. And as I expected, it was going to be dead on. Be right back after I get everything redone. Okay, so now I got 3 more rounds of the same exact ammo. And as you can see, there's no suppressor on the front, which is why we're wearing hearing protection now.
I didn't see anything.
I didn't see anything either.
Might have went through the center. Just over the top. Hit it.
Hit it. Now this one seems to not be too bad. My brother's rifle, we were just shooting that one and it did pretty good both with and without the suppressor. Now the weird thing is about 15 years ago, we had some different ARs and they were both just the 16-inch mil-spec barrels. And we noticed that at 100 yards, with the suppressors off and on, they would shoot quite a bit of difference.
Yeah.
And now I'm gonna go and redo a. I'm gonna try my Mossberg. Same thing. Three shots, same target, and just to see if there's much of a variation in that one, because in this one there's not much of a variation. Okay. Now I got the same 55 grain ball in the Mossberg with the suppressor on the end. Now I normally have this sighted in for 75 grain hollow point, so I don't think I'm going to hit the little meadow I'm shooting at, but I might. I'm not real positive. But I am going to keep the same point of aim throughout the entire test. Gotta find it. Okay, so same point of aim. Hit. Pick that up. Knocked the steel plate down, but that's okay.
And I knocked the rotor down.
And I knocked the rotor down, but that's okay also. Because we're still going to see where we're roughly hitting at. Okay, now hearing protection, since we're not going to be suppressed. We are shooting for the same spot. Now the little rotor is knocked over, so I'm actually going to aim for the rock right behind it, because that's where about the center was before.
High.
Looked high, huh?
Same spot. Same spot.
And I'm empty. So yeah, it looks like it is hitting a little higher, but
not a lot. It's only a few inches.
A few inches, but that could account for the weight of the suppressor, because that suppressor actually weighs like 2 pounds. Pulling the barrel down just gently. So yeah, actually it's not too bad difference. I said back in the early 2000s, mid 2000s, we were getting variations of like 3 feet, and usually off elevation and windage. And it was both his rifle with his suppressor and my rifle with the suppressor that I have. So it was kind of weird. And we weren't doing videos back then, so nothing is recorded about it. But this is interesting, because I thought they were going to be a lot farther off.
Yeah, I use the same ammo, 55 grain, and I've got a 16-inch barrel also.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, yours is yours is a 223 wild like mine though.
Right, but it's only 16 inches, not 24.
This is 16.
Right.
So